Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. We wanted to capture that sun setting in that sky as we come from the main Porteras Road into downtown Ayia Napa. The girl in charge of the ship, who drove exceptionally well, as you witnessed, a car pulled right out in front of her. She was tempted to blow the horn, but she understood that that would destroy the film.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. That view over there, Mr. Paul, it was like a postcard view.
Picture postcard view, we say in English, yeah. Absolutely spectacular. A view that is quite simply to die for. It's come back into focus again as the road wiggles and waggles. There's that beautiful, beautiful golden sun, and it's starting its descent off to downtown Cato, Australia, but of course it's going to come back screaming and kicking first thing in the morning, and it's going to bake Cyprus yet again. So this is the main link road from Porteras to downtown Ayia Napa, a lovely tree-lined road. It's got a cycling path, or as we would call it, a scooter path all the way, so you never know. One of these days in the future, if you come back, you might find myself, Mr. Paul, and Miss Ochingrasiviala Booth scootering our way between Ayia Napa and Porteras. What do you think?
Why not, Mr. Paul? We were passing drive and we were talking about how much places. Wow, show.
I'm going to show it again, yeah. We're going to interrupt because have a look at that. Absolutely spectacular. I think, to be honest, Grasiviala Booth, a bit further on, there is a place where you can pull in and park up, and we will sit and watch that beauty in the sky cast its last golden rays before it vanishes, because it's spectacular. Keep going a bit further, and I'm pretty sure there is a pull in. So stick with us if you want to see that beauty glisten across the blue Mediterranean Sea, and it's going to be a fucking feast of your eyes, that's for sure. That's the word I was looking for. And you're going to feast and digest it because it's spectacular today. If you're wondering what time of year it is, well, we are in the first week of December. Yes, it's unbelievable. Hard to believe.
I found it.
There we are. Keep going down, Grasivi.
You know, it's such a beautiful view today. This sun is totally red, and the shadow of it falls down on the sea as a mirror with a tint of red. It's amazing.
There's a combination of the milkiness and the oiliness of the sea at this time of year, and then of course the sun is setting low in the sky. Keep going, Grasivi, don't worry. You're going to join a track down the bottom here, and then we'll hopefully have an opened up view, and it'll be crystal clear, and we'll be able to watch the beauty as it transcends on its journey to downtown Cato, Australia. I thought that was the Green Cross Code man there, all dressed in green. Keep going a bit further on, Grasivi, and there's a big pull in. Keep going. So if you stick with us, we're going to watch this beauty in the sky as it transcends and vanishes off to Cato, Australia. But as I keep saying to you, don't worry, it's going to come back first thing in the morning, and it's going to cook the wonderful island of love known as Cyprus for yet another day. And again, if you're wondering what time of year it is, first week of December, the temperature today has been in the region of 26 degrees. Here you go, Grasivi, pull in. Stick your nose in.
I have to behave.
Trying to follow all the rules, are we?
Yeah.
There we are.
But now it's worse.
Go on, climb up. Hit the curb gently. That's it, go on.
Okay, should I?
Yep, don't worry. Leave those wheels on the ground. That's it.
Yeah.
Perfect. There we are. This is how you park in Cyprus, by the way. So come with us for the dismount. We're going to go and watch that beauty as it travels off to Cato, Australia. And there's a work of art of an old classic car there. Have a look at that. That's a classic Pontiac. People might remember that from the Starsky and Hutch days. But have a look at that. It truly is exceptional. And the sea, that blueness has vanished into a turquoise colour now. I'm losing my English today for some reason. Receiver the booth has been wiggling and waggling out of me all night. But there's an oiliness, a milkiness, a specialness to that beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea, and it creates this great place for that sun to cast its shadow, as Receiver the booth was telling you about, and leave its mark on the island of love before it transcends on its travels off to downtown Cato, Australia. Receiver booth?
I don't know how to explain the picture that I have seen, and we observing now the nature and nature that always here, but sometimes it changes its mood. The mood of the nature today is absolutely wonderful, and it's spectacular how we're observing all these people are picturing, making the photos and taking these lovely pictures at home, showing their relatives, mothers and fathers, how beautiful island of love is.
Yep, completely correct, Receiver booth. There are people standing around waiting for that moment. Have a look. Absolutely everywhere you look. There's young men, old men, there's couples, there's families, and they're waiting, they're digesting all the beauty of these rock structures and the spectacality of that beautiful, beautiful ocean. But above all else, they're waiting and they're watching that beauty over there. And on top of that, I'm watching that beauty. And as you can see in the background, there are people absolutely everywhere. And they've come out to take pictures, videos, to send off to their loved ones, to show them that they witnessed something that truly is spectacular. And that spectacality is the sun as it goes down across the horizon and leaves us for yet another day. But as I keep telling you, don't worry, it's going to come rushing back tomorrow at around about 6:30 in the morning and cook the island of love, Cyprus, for yet another day.
Have you seen that little tunnel, Mr. Paul? If you stand on my side, but be careful, don't forget I'm a monkeyest monkey. But if you just show
in the rock formation
tunnel,
here, there are
yes,
two tunnels.
yes.
We witnessed them from the other side last time we were in Ayia Napa. And one of these days, we're going to go and hire a canoe or a paddling boat, and we're going to carve up this beauty and this spectacality of this area. And hopefully, you'll come and share it with us. But the ocean today and the sun today is absolutely spectacular. So let's just stand here, close the mouth and watch. In 2 or 3 minutes, that sun is going to touch the horizon. Wow, I don't think it gets much better than that. Well, in fact it does. Watching Gresivia LaBouffe, what did you think?
Well, just now, we all were witnesses of the loveliest sun to go down, to go to its home, to catch up Australia, like you say, Mr. Paul. And I'm using your words because I don't know where this lovely sun went. Just went for a rest, for the good rest and good night, and then coming back again and again to make our life so nice and shiny. And we would love to say to you that we really enjoyed this luxury, amazing, wonderful, unforgettable moments. We would like to tell you how much we're loving you, and don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses from the bottom of our two hearts, and bye-bye.
Well, Stephanie says thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness, and we thank you for sharing that spectacular moment with us. And we're now going to leave you with a truly spectacular view across the peninsula of Ayia Napa. Have a look at that.
Why are you annoying me all the time?
Thanks for watching.